Hello, and welcome to a journey of growth and abundance. Starting a garden is a deeply rewarding experience, connecting us to nature and nourishing our bodies with fresh, homegrown food. Many believe that gardening has to be an expensive hobby, but that simply isn't true. With a mindful approach, we can create a thriving garden without spending a fortune. In this video, I'll share my best tips for gathering the essential tools and supplies affordably, so you can experience the joy of gardening without breaking the bank. Let's begin. Just as we cherish our belongings that spark joy, we can curate a collection of gardening tools that bring us delight. To start, let's focus on the essentials, those tools that will be our loyal companions throughout the gardening journey. First, we have the hand trowel, a small but mighty tool perfect for digging in smaller spaces and planting seeds. Next is the garden fork, which helps us gently aerate the soil and break up any stubborn clumps, allowing roots to breathe and grow. Pruners or shears are essential for trimming our plants and harvesting our bounty. A watering can or hose is crucial for keeping our plants hydrated. Consider one with a spray nozzle for gentle watering. Gloves are our protectors, shielding our hands from thorns, dirt, and blisters. Lastly, a rake and shovel will be our allies in clearing debris and preparing the garden bed for new life. Remember, you can always add more specialized tools as your garden grows and your needs evolve. Acquiring gardening tools doesn't have to drain our resources. Instead of rushing to buy everything new, let's explore ways to welcome pre-loved tools into our collection. Thrift stores and yard sales are hidden treasure troves for finding gently used tools at a fraction of the cost. Imagine the stories these tools could tell, having been part of other gardens' journeys. Online marketplaces like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay are also wonderful resources for discovering great deals. Remember, we don't need to acquire everything at once. Let's practice patience, embrace the process of gradually building our collection, and allow joy to guide our choices. DIY and budget-friendly alternatives. For those seeking even more affordable options, let's tap into our creativity and embrace the joy of repurposing. DIY solutions not only save money but also add a personal touch to our gardens. Instead of buying expensive plant markers, let's give new life to ordinary items. Popsicle sticks, painted rocks, or even old spoons can be transformed into charming labels for our plants. A large plastic jug with a few holes poked in the bottom becomes a resourceful watering can. Don't throw away those egg cartons or plastic takeout containers. They make perfect seed trays. And for a simple compost bin, a garbage can with a lid will do the trick. These budget-friendly hacks spark joy not only through their affordability but also their sustainability, as we give new purpose to things we already own. Plan ahead to save money. Just as we tidy our homes with intention, let's approach our gardening expenses with mindfulness. Creating a simple plan can help us stay within budget and avoid impulse purchases. Start by making a list of the essential tools, prioritizing those that spark the most joy and align with your gardening goals. For example, this month you might decide to welcome a trusty hand trowel and a pair of protective gloves into your collection. Next month, you could add a rake and a watering can. Breaking down your purchases into smaller, manageable steps makes the process less overwhelming and allows you to savor each addition to your gardening toolkit. Starting a garden doesn't have to be expensive. By focusing on the essentials, shopping smart, and using creative DIY alternatives, you can gather everything you need to grow your own food without overspending. Remember, gardening is a journey. Start small, stay resourceful, and enjoy the process. Let each seed you sow, each tool you hold, and each plant you nurture spark joy in your heart. What's your favorite budget-friendly gardening tip? Share it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next episode in our emergency gardening series. Let's grow together, affordably.